I'm making this video for people who are working with Christopher to show them that the program that he's using, trying to teach him to use this to speak for himself instead of the behaviors that we're seeing. I've just shown you the full Babel screen, which is all the buttons. The nice thing about this program is it only takes 2 buttons to get to any word that you need. So here are the buttons here that he needs to pick, and it'll build a sentence up here along the top, and he can touch it to say the whole word. So if he says, I want, and if he wants, let's say he wants his hula hoop. See there that I and want were in the top screen and hula hoop was under give. Half of the problem with this program is remembering where the buttons are, and that is just learned by using it. So he builds his sentence and then he can touch it.
I want hula hoop.
And it speaks for him. You can clear the screen here, and that takes you back. I'm going to turn Babel off. These are the words that Christopher is using in our sessions, most of them. Some of them are words that we like him to use, like I, and want has disappeared. We need to turn that back on. Some of them are just here because it's the words underneath that are important. For as, his important word outside is there. So some of them are important on the front, but some of them are there as steps to the back. And Christopher has managed to learn how to find words underneath the second screen. This is a good example. I can show you how to turn on a word because want isn't there. There's a button up here that says open close. That turns everything on. You can close them all off or all on, or you can pick and choose which ones. So here we can add, there's a message from Crystal. Here we can add want so that he has it. And then we press done. So initially what we're doing is building sentences from here. Christopher has done really well to answer questions about colors. Under color here is the colors that he's using. If we wanted to add a few more colors, we can push open close. It shows us what our options are, and we can pick the colors that aren't included. So when you press done, it'll show you those are the ones that are left. To get back to the initial screen, you press home. So I've been asking Christopher, what color is it? And he knows to go to color and then choose the color. He's doing this with about 80% accuracy, picking the right color. He does pick green more often than not. I think sometimes he's being funny and sometimes he's hoping that it's green. The other thing that Christopher's been working on is animals. Animals are under A here. And those are the animals that we've been working on. I have a bag of animals that he really likes. And so I've asked him, what is it? And he's been able to pick to label it. The cow is a big one. And again, once you press an under screen, it goes back to the home screen. So Christopher has picked a cow. He can label those animals. He also has been using this to make a request. So if I have a few and I say, which one do you want? Then he can use this to make a request. It's difficult to know if he's making a request that he really wants or if he just understands that he needs to push a button to get something. I'm going to turn this off and send another video based on a different skill, but I hope this helps. Thanks, bye.